Boom! What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Leo. Gonna finally do some work on the car. I've been wanting to do this for a little while, but the weather hasn't been too good. Now that I finally got a day off, I got the sun out, I think I can finally do some work on this. What I'm gonna do is finally make this car one color. Right now, I mean, it technically is one color, but I mean, look at this. This is all faded. I mean, it's nasty, it looks ugly. I mean, I'm finally gonna paint this car. I'm not really paint it, I'm gonna wrap it. That's what we're doing today, because I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And I bought the supplies a while ago, so I've been having it sitting around. And you know, this stuff, it doesn't really cost that much. So that's kind of why I'm doing this. I've been wanting to wrap my car, but now that I got this channel going, I'm gonna make a video about it. Now, what I wanna say is that this video is not a DIY video of how to wrap your car, because I have never wrapped my car. But what it is, yeah, I'm tired of my car being all raggedy looking. I'm gonna wrap it. I should do some body work on this car, but I'm gonna do that later. So that's why today I'm just wrapping it, and I'm not telling you how to wrap your car, because there is a proper way to wrap your car, as far as you're supposed to do the body work on it and sand it down and get it all nice and smooth and prep it. Because I personally have stuff like this, and I'm not gonna fix that. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna cover that with the wrap, and that's what I'm doing until later on when I get a body kit for this car. Then I can actually do the body work and get real paint on it. So today we're doing a wrap, and you know, I'm gonna take you along with it. Take you guys along with me. Let me show you what I got here. The color that I like is actually my personal favorite color. It's more like a royal blue, but this color is made by Vivid. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a navy blue. It's 60 feet long by 5 feet tall. Let me put it up, about to fall over. 60 feet long, 5 feet tall is more than enough that I need for this 240. It's way more than I need, but I bought extra, of course, because it's my first time doing it. Now that roll right there cost me exactly $340 shipping and everything. So I want you people to know that you paying $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to get your car wrapped, it's kind of ridiculous, because I'm going to try to do this today, and I'm hoping that it turns out okay. Now, it's not going to be professionally wrapped, of course, because I'm not a professional, but it should look pretty good. It's at least going to look better than it does right now, I'm sure of that. Before we get started, I'm sorry, that's the wrap, that's the color I got, still wrapped up, sitting up in front of the yard. I got everything out here. What I wanted to show you is the supplies that you need, because it's really not that much stuff. I already told you how much I paid for the wrap, $340 exactly, shipping and everything. Now, also what I have is a few tools. So the materials that you need for this job is a heat gun, of course. I got a heat gun, got a nice one. Don't really need a nice one. You can use a blow dryer, from what I hear. You don't need a nice heat gun, but I got one because I already had it. You need a few X-Acto knives to cut up the paper. I got a few squeegees so I can like slide the bubbles out. You know, I got a cutter so I can cut the paper, you know, and some extra pads for the squeegees. That's pretty much it. This right here is a little flashlight, you know, just in case, because you know, it's a lot of shade over here. I don't know why the sun is not out yet, but she's coming, she'll get out, and you know, I have to enjoy it while I can. So before I actually get started, I do have to wash the car, which kind of sucks, because it's already like 1 o'clock, and I don't know how long this is gonna take. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You know what I do need though? Do need those. All right, let's get started. got the car out, pulled it out of the driveway. It's time to get started on washing it up. I gotta clean it. I'm just letting it run a little bit, let it idle. I love the way she sounds. This is my baby right here. Listen to that. Listen to that. I know my neighbors love me. They got to. They have to. I mean, who wouldn't? So before I wash it, I thought I'd show you a little bit of what I'm working with. Now, I got body damage all over this car. I got stuff going on like this one here. I mean, the hood is not perfect. It's all faded. It's nasty. It's ugly. I got leaves that fall on this car every day from these freaking trees. So I'm gonna have to wash it up pretty good. The body overall though, I mean, I got stuff everywhere. Like this is old tape from holding up the bumper, but I got little chips and nicks and stuff, dings everywhere. Just here, like, I mean, it's ugly. This car is like ugly. I mean, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And the thing is, this stuff is gonna show when I wrap it. I mean, like I said, the proper way to do this is to do the body work, have everything nice and smooth, and then wrap the car. But I'm not doing that. Like I'm eventually gonna put a body kit on this car, and then I am gonna do the body work. And when I do that, it's gonna be nice. Until then, we're doing it the broke way. You know, we're doing it the $350 way, because that's what I got to make it look good, and that's what I want to do to make it look good. But overall, the car is pretty straight. I mean, I have stuff like I already showed you, like this. Yep. But this is probably the last time I'm gonna see this stuff, because when I take this wrap off, it's more than likely gonna be because I'm gonna do some body work on it. I'm probably gonna take these off because I don't have a replacement for that. I don't know if you know or you can tell, but that happened from drifting. You know, you could be sideways and you hit a little barrier, and that's what you get. But I left it on there because it gives the car personality to me. You know, I did that at probably 90 miles an hour going sideways. Same thing with this one. That probably happened about 80 or 90 miles an hour going sideways, and I pushed it out. It was a lot worse. You know, these are battle scars. These are not because I crashed. These are because I drive this car hard, and I do drive this car hard, and I want it to look good when I'm driving it. You know, all these blemishes, they're not gonna show when I'm going 100 miles an hour. It's just gonna see a nice blue car going 100 miles an hour. When I was parked, it's parked, but when it's driving, I'm driving. So let's get to washing. Up, cleaned up a little bit, I didn't do a real deep clean. I mean, I'm not gonna be here all night. I'm just trying to get it done, you know what I'm saying? Went ahead, got the pressure washer out, gave it a little wash. I should be prepping now, and as far as taking off the back panel and getting the whole body ready for the wrap. But the plan of action for today is to take it one panel at a time. And what I mean by panel is I mean one body part at a time. I can do the hood as one piece, I can do the top as one piece, and I can do the fender as another piece, do the door as one piece, and the corner panels and so on. And we're doing the car one piece at a time. The first one that I'm gonna do is over here on the front. I'm gonna do the front right side fender on the passenger side. That's the plan of action first.
You can hear that nigga. What you want? I get rubber, my I did pull it up or down. Need it 1,000 on your watch, young nigga splurge. I'm a ace of spade, on a sipper, on a serve. Keep a young nigga working down a once a K. I'ma take a phone call, hustle every day. I just like a bunch of narcotics. Pull up in a new Rari. Living life, son, got it. Chopping bricks like karate.
the first fender pretty much done, and it does not look that good, but it is my first time doing this and I'm learning the material. Just to give you an example, there's a lot of little lines you can't really see. These, I mean, those are just wrinkles that I didn't really get out too good. Some spots are good, like here, and then you gotta get up here and a bit ugly trimming. But like I said, I'm still learning the material, still figuring it out. But I mean, it's on there. I mean, that first fender is blue. I mean, that's what I wanted. I mean, like I said, when I'm driving fast, it's all gonna be one color. When you see me pulling up and driving by, it'll be one color, and if you get up close, you'll see the wrinkles. I don't care about that kind of stuff though. That's just me. Some people do, not me. If you got OCD, that's your problem, not mine. I'm doing it. All right, let's keep on going.
Ringing at the same time, that's your hope. Calling from 2 different phones. Tell that bitch leave me the fuck alone. See you fuck around, and I fuck alone. I got a love-hate relationship with Molly. I'd rather pop a ollie, and my dick is the trolley. Boy, I bury you like Holly. Denise will say I'm blind, cause I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grime. And I just received the package. Them other niggas taxing, in my pocket so fat. I'm starting to feel contractions, and my cousin went to jail for them chickens. And he already home, and that nigga must be snitching. Cut him off like karate.
All right. It's getting pretty late. I only got the hood done, and I got one fender done, and I've been out here for a few hours. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna call it. I think it's looking pretty good. I mean, it looks good so far. I'm not gonna finish this. I mean, I still got this whole side to do. I mean, I still got the back to do. I still got the top to do. I don't have a front bumper. That helps me out. I don't have to do a front bumper, but I still got the back bumper. Still got the corner panels. I mean, it's a lot of work. I mean, and like I said, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I've never done this before, but I like it. So I'm gonna have to finish this another day. I think it'll be easier when I get some help. So I'm probably gonna get a friend of mine to come help me out with this, because it'll go a lot faster. It'll be a lot easier. But so far so good. I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here pretty soon. I wanted to do it all in one day, but as you can see, this is a learning process, and I've never done this before. So I hope that I don't know. I hope I got something worth watching, because I didn't really do anything. And I didn't even get it done, so maybe I can get this done in the next video. You know, give me something else to do. I'm probably gonna call it a day already. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call this a day already, just because I'm getting tired. Go inside.